Here's how to unblock someone on TikTok. Now open up the TikTok app either on your iPhone or your Android. I'll walk you through the exact steps if you previously blocked somebody and you don't know how to get to their profile to unblock them. The first thing that you're going to do is to tap on Profile at the bottom right. And next, tap on the three lines at the top right. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. And from here, it works a little differently depending on whether you have an iPhone or an Android. On the iPhone, all you need to do is scroll down and tap on Blocked Accounts, and then just tap on Unblock on any of these. However, on Android, you need to tap on Privacy, and then scroll down and tap on Blocked Accounts at the bottom. And you'll get to the same screen. All you need to do from here is tap on Unblock. And just like that, that person is unblocked. Keep in mind, just by unblocking them doesn't add them back as a friend that you're following or that they'll follow you. You need to manually do that after the fact. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.